Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am taking you on a night point of view drive with the new 6th generation Renault Clio. The model in our video is finished in the absolute green color. It looks amazing. The car has got the new design language, the sporty grille, unique styling. For the headlights you see the daytime running LEDs in the lower section. 4 meters 12 centimeters is the length of the car, and then here you can see the puddle light with the Renault badge. And then also 16-inch wheels. We have the metal trim, Techno. You can go for the Esprit Alpine, which is the top of the line, and the Evolution is the base one. Now, you can also go for the 18-inch wheels on this trim as an optional extra. I will lock the car now. You see the unique styling for the taillights as well. So they are made of 2 separate parts. And now we will unlock the car once again. Take a look at the beautiful taillights. Very sporty design and definitely easily recognizable on the road. Now, trunk space is very big, so 391 liters. And also, look at this, we have the spare wheel, not something that you often see in modern day cars. Now we are ready to go on a drive, and the model in our video is the petrol version. And now we have the keyless entry, so it locked when I go away and then unlocks when you approach it. Manual transmission, these are the seats. Now let's see it from driver's perspective. Here is your lovely view as a driver. Let's immediately start the car by pressing the start engine button here. Put it to neutral, so the 6-speed manual. It's been quite a while since I drove a car with manual, so looking forward to this drive. Put on my seatbelt, release the electronic parking brake, and we are ready to go. So the model in our video has got the 1.2 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol unit producing 115 horsepower. It is paired with 6-speed manual. In this case you can also go for the 6-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. Now this is just one of the options for the new Renault Clio. Other 2 options are either the E-Tech full hybrid 160, so I already tested that one, 160 horsepower of combined system output in that new hybrid, or you can go for the Eco G 120, so the dual fuel petrol LPG version. Those are the options. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice of powertrain for this new generation Clio. And we are now in the city. Let's mention the numbers for this particular model. So 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 10.1 seconds, while the top speed is 180 kilometers per hour. And it's really a pleasure to drive a manual. The car is very fun to drive. The layout is beautiful. We have the dual 10.1-inch screens, and take a look at this. We have the Google Maps, so the OpenR Link with Google built in, which is a huge thumb up from me. Very easy to use this system. It's very fast, and yeah, look at this. That's great. Start stop, you can deactivate it here by just pressing the button. And speaking about buttons, the AC settings are adjusted here, so the air blower and the temperature. The beeping sound, it's mandatory by law to have the speed warning, so as soon as you go just a bit over the speed limit you have the beeping sound. But by pressing this button here you have my safety purse selected, so you set your desired settings within the system itself, and then every time you turn on the car just press this twice and you have your desired settings set on. So for example, now we have the settings where we don't have the beeping sound as soon as you go over the speed limit. The indicator sound is quite interesting. I find it very relaxing, but I want to hear your thoughts. You also have the revs on this view. And speaking about the views on the digital cockpit, you can choose between various ones. By pressing this button here, you can then change There's also this map view with Google Maps. So good and useful. Let me show you those. This is like the minimalistic one. And then back to the one with the rev counter, which I will keep for now. Here you see the multi-sense buttons. So with this I can change the drive modes. And you see when we change drive modes, a bunch of things change, including the ambient lights. So this was Eco, now Sport, of course the red theme. And you also have this view now. You can see how it looks on the Sport mode. And then Perso. So you can configure the modes, and then within them you can change between various settings. Let's go back to comfort. The ambient lights are very cool. You have this detail here in the doors. Not sure how much the camera is catching it, but it's definitely unique. Put the car into sport mode now. And I also quite like the sound of the engine. Now when you have the manual, you have a bit of a different layout here in the middle. I also test drove the Esprit Alpine Hybrid with the automatic, of course, and then you have different setup here. You have the gear selector next to the steering wheel here. Now getting into the corners. The car is really so much fun. This is the infotainment system. Have this view as well, or this big map view. The gear selector, the gear lever actually, it's very nice and feels good in hand. Love the materials of it. USB-C ports here, and then again the buttons for AC controls. And the advantage of the 16-inch wheels that we have on this model is, of course, in the comfort, but I would still prefer to have the 18-inch wheels. So they are 500 euros extra here in Croatia for this trim. So yeah, in my opinion, that would be the very nice spec. Now, speaking about specs, this is the middle trim and absolute green color, which is probably my favorite for the new Clio. But one thing that I noticed is that when you go to configurator and you put the Esprit Alpine trim, which is the top of the line trim, you cannot get the absolute green color, which is weird. And yeah, I don't know, you know, if somebody wants top of the line trim and wants this very cool color, I'm not sure why that's not possible. Tell me, how would you spec the new Renault Clio? course, various ambient light colors are available, and it looks very special during the night. And various driver assistance safety systems can be configured here. So the car is equipped with a bunch of tech and systems that make your drive more smooth and more safe. Alright guys, so that was the night drive. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye bye.